What mistakes do you notice, or maybe you've made these mistakes, what mistakes do Instacart shoppers make? New Instacart shoppers. Obviously for me, I went out for 6 hours, I only made $100. For you, you laughed at that. What mistakes do you think I was making? I
think you were getting like the first batch you probably saw.
No, we were waiting until we got big batches.
Oh, no way.
20 bucks and up, that's it.
Were you counting the items that the batches had? Because that's a big part. It could say $100, but if there's like 100 items, you're gonna be out for like 4 hours.
There were not a lot of big batches like that. The most we would see was like $25.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
I was also in a really good area. I was doing this around Newport. So maybe...
Yeah, we were around here and it's, yeah, I don't know.
And I had great grocery stores like Gelson's, Bristol Farms.
Oh yeah.
That kind of thing.
Yeah. So what kind of mistakes do you think? So people, yeah, like you said, they click the first order.
Yes.
Or they don't look at the items.
And they don't look at the items. How far each point is, because some batches have, you know, 2 deliveries, 3 deliveries. And if they're really far from each other, that's going to waste a lot of time.
Probably another one that I'm thinking of is just not even developing like a strategy. Like you said, you had a strategy. You would start at 7 a.m. You had a goal. Like those are things that I feel like most people just sign up and just do it for a couple hours and they're like, I only made $50 and they give up.
Yeah, and what really helped was I also took batches usually from the same grocery stores because I already knew where the items were. That was a big part.
Yeah, another thing too was when Elias and I were doing it, a lot of times was wasted when we were searching for items.
Yeah, exactly. So I kept to the stores that I already had done before, and I always stick to the stores.
Like, I remember one time we were looking for hummus for like 20 minutes.
It's tough when customers want that like brand that no one's heard of.
Yeah.
And, like, yeah.
Would you do like refunds and stuff? Or you try to get everything?
No, I try to get everything.
That's good.
Yeah.